Okay, here we have the quadruplicities. 4 elements, which is quadra. Triplicities is the 3 modes in which they appear in, and that is cardinal, fixed, mutable. Cardinal simply means creates, creation. All the cardinal signs would be Aries, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn. Creates, fixed, compacts. Fixed signs are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius. And mutable. Mutable means moves. Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces. So you got 1, 2, 3. Sunrise, high noon, sunset. The child, the teenager, the elder. Sunrise, that's cardinal. Did you know the sun appears bigger on sunrise and sunset than it does at high noon? So does the moon. Cardinal creates. Sun rises and it creates, kind of like creates the spirit, energy. And then noon, it's the hottest time of day. The sun compacts like you take a magnifying glass, right? And you shine it when you burn some ants. Why? Because it compacts that light into a solid point, like a laser beam, and it compacts that light into making it hot. So that's solidity, solidifies, fixed, mutable. Sunset, the sun is moving on to the other side. That's the elder. So we got the cardinal signs: Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. You've got creates. You got fire, water, air, and earth. So we've got all those 3 we're going to get into in a minute. But interesting about the sun. You can sun gaze at sunrise and sunset. You cannot sun gaze here. This will hurt your eyes. Only these times. Because the sun is mutable. It's movement. It's separating. It's starting to dissolve. Where here it's just starting to be formed together in sunrise, sunset. It's starting to move mutable. So we've got cardinal. That's kind of like spirit. Fixed, this is like the body or earth. Cardinal's fire, earth. This is water. This is like the soul. And the reason why I say that is because what's interesting about the characters in these signs is in the cardinal signs, you've got all the characters, like the bad guy, Satan and Jesus. And then in the fixed signs, you've got Satan and Jesus. The mutable signs, no Satan. Only Jupiter, right? You've only got Jupiter, you've only got Mercury, and you've also got Neptune. That's it. Mutable signs only have 3 planets in there. Very interesting. Gotta pay attention. It's telling you a story. Why? Satan is in this one and that one. He ain't in this one. Why? Because this sign moves the soul to the other side. Where? To heaven. But we know Satan isn't going to heaven. He's staying here. He's staying in the fixed signs. He's solidifying himself. Stuck. Cannot move. God's not letting him over here. Just thought that was very interesting. Anyway, moving on. 4 elements. And so let's start with the first one. Fire. Fire can mean several different things. That's why I wrote up here. In case you can't read it because this might be backwards. But anyway. So we've got fire, water, air, earth. Fire basically means spirit or energy, willpower, ego, the intellect, or the pride, where we get our pride from, competitive nature. And so, next one we've got water. That is the soul, motion, desire, feeling. That's where we get our humbleness, our humility, our submission. Next one we've got air. Air means mind or communication. And then finally we've got earth. Earth simply means the body, this substance or solidity. So you can have different combinations. Cardinal earth, fixed earth, mutable earth. Cardinal air, fixed air, mutable air. Okay? There's 12 altogether.